We're going to move on now to example 5, solving equations with fractions. Method 1, we're going to use inverse operations. So our equation is a number divided by 4 is 1.5. So we have a number which is x divided by 4 is equal to 1.5. So our operation is dividing by 4. So the inverse then would be multiplying by 4. So algebraically, if we're going to work this one out, we're going to need to multiply each side of the equation by 4. That cancels, and we're left with our variable x. And 1.5 times 4 is equal to 6. We can also do this equation by finding common denominators. So we know that the denominator for any number would be 1 if no other denominator is given. So we want to find a common denominator, which in this case would be 4. If we multiply the bottom by 4, we also have to multiply the top of the fraction by 4. 1.5 times 4 is 6. X over 4 equals 6 over 4. Because the denominators are the same, we can cancel them out, and that leaves us x equals 6. So the same answer as the other method.